Good morning, I'm Devin Shute. Welcome to the TRG Money Minute. So last week, Eskom unfortunately continued to dominate local headlines as the company announced a loss of 20 billion rand for the year, which was slightly less than the 25 billion that was expected. With the previous CEO also resigning, incumbent chairman Jabu Mabuza was announced as an interim CEO while they searched for a replacement. We also finally had the announcement of a chief restructuring officer to help them battle parastatal. Bottom line though is Eskom continues to earn less than is needed to service its growing debt, and action to reduce costs and generate revenues need to be implemented to reverse this decline. Unfortunately, these solutions remain politically unpalatable and as a result have not been implemented yet. Last week also saw the release of a startling unemployment report which showed our jobless rate at an 11-year high. Youth unemployment remains at crisis levels. This is caused by persistently low economic growth, rigid labour legislation, as well as stifling business and tourism regulations. Despite all of this, the biggest drivers for our markets last week came from outside of South Africa. As expected, the US Central Bank cut interest rates last week, but not to be outdone, soon afterwards, President Trump initiated a series of tweets escalating the trade tariffs with China and reversing the apparent truce that the two countries had reached. This caused markets across the globe to sell off and currencies like the rand to weaken. On the JSE, we had retail companies providing updates. Owner of macro and builders warehouse Massmart showed just how tough it is out there and reported its first trading loss since listing on the JSE in 2000. Shoprite fared better and reported increase in its domestic supermarket business, but did show that revenues in the rest of Africa were weak. So on Friday, we celebrate Women's Day, and this is where the mass march to the Union buildings happened in 1956 to petition the carrying of passes by women. So enjoy your short week. Thanks for watching.